So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand system, then you want to expand current control set, then you want to expand control, and now you want to click on the print folder. I'm going to make this bigger. You're going to scroll down till we find print. Here it is. You're going to click on the print folder, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this RPC auth n level privacy enabled. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in the box right here it has the number 0. So set the validator to the number 0. Make it 0 and then click on OK. It would have probably been on 0 anyways in the first place. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.